Hey everybody, it's Roland the Real from Complete Trader Academy with another daily review. US 30, Dow Jones, Monday, September 26, 2022. All right, so as previous videos, Friday we did a review and we took out all these lows here. Mission accomplished there. Took that low, took that low. That was a major 2000. That was the low of 2021. Was an equal low with this low. So June 17, and I believe it was February 10th or something like that. Same equal lows, same COVID resistance, turn support now. So now this week, we mentioned that since the price did come down and take out the objective of these lows, making a new lower low, generally, once you have a big drop like this, you want to stay away from the market just a little bit because the consolidation, which we did have today, and this is the daily chart. So this was today's candle. This is the new candle at 6 p.m. So we opened up, came down. Generally, we'll take out more lows because price isn't just gonna just flip around and reverse. They do like to manipulate and inch price lower just so they can get closer to an objective. So they took out some more lows in the previous year, actually previous 2 years. If you look at this was that support resistance. So they came down and they took out most of these lows here, right? That's what they were doing. They got, I think they believe, I believe price returned above once it hit here. So my next goal would be to hit this low on this day, which is November 10, 2020. Big major imbalance in that day. So definitely price needs to rebalance that area. And that's what this purple line is here. It's also that daily imbalance. So November 10. So I believe we're still going to come down, but we do have a lot of support here. I got this big supply and demand zone turning, turning support, resistance, and then now turning resistance because I'm going to break it down into a smaller time frame so you can see here. So we opened up here for the week on Sunday. Price came down. Engineering liquidity. Price came up at London session 3:30 in the morning, New York time. Took out that low. Took out this high. And then price broke down, taking out the engineered lows. Then price rallied up. And then this was the New York session right here. So price came in perfectly into this supply block with this red line right here. Smacked it perfectly. And once that happens, now the price could have came up and took out some more of these lows. I thought it was going to do that. But because it failed immediately, our mindset should be we're going to go take out lows. So it's kind of like the way the cell program of an algorithm works. So price broke down, took out these lows, fake move up, came back into a supply block, temporarily broke down, took out the low. See that? Once you take out this low, generally the objective is to come up to a higher probability area, in a premium area, which would be technically mitigating more of this. See this bullish candles here? That would be another supply block. Price came up, wicked it, came down, and then now this is the new day. It started right here, actually. So then price rallied up, took out these highs here. So we are creating support here. I mean, definitely could come down and take out these lows here. But I do like all this liquidity up here, and it's going to be interesting for the next week because we're price is going sideways, so we're consolidating, and then if I kind of go back out, you're going to see that generally when you have wicks like this, see this wick down candle. I mean, we're going to start kind of we're going to start coming up and rallying to take some of this liquidity, and then we have this daily imbalance in between here. So I do like this coming up and filling some of this imbalance. There is another imbalance here, and then there's obviously the big one here and a big one in here from the week, but there's this daily imbalance, big major imbalance here. So I see price kind of coming up in here for the week. And if it wants to reverse, it'll come out and start taking these lows and in a hurry try to take out this November 10, 2020 imbalance here. So we're in a bearish market, definitely, but there is a lot of bullish support here. So again, I do like this. And then also keep in mind with these fibs here, this projection from here to here, A, B to C, we did hit the 27, and then right here matches with this November 10 imbalance. That is the 61 projection on the fib as well, which could be met. Doesn't have to be, but it could be met. And then if you look at over here, this projection here from A to B to C, hit that 78. Once it did that, our projections for that is going to be to price reaching down here at the 27 for this fib, and then possibly here, and then this line is another objective. So a lot of objectives down here. So I really don't think this is the end of this run right now. I really don't see it. I really feel like it's going to still come down with the news coming out, with the way things are. I think they're in a hurry to kind of rush down and take out all those prices. So I hope this helped. And please follow us on all social media sites, Complete Trader Academy. Hope this was helpful. Have a great day. God bless.